Hello, if you are wondering if you can hard reset the JBL Wind 3S, then the answer seems to be no. I've tried to find any way that would allow me to hard reset or reset to the factory settings the JBL Bluetooth speaker, but unfortunately this seems to be missing in this model, and the only thing that we can do is force restart and of course perform the pairing mode once again. And in order to do the force restart, we need to simply press and hold the power button and press and hold it for several seconds until the speaker is off and then back on. So you can press and hold the power button until it shuts down and then powers on again without having to release your finger. And after that, most likely you will reconnect to your smartphone, and if you want to enter the pairing mode, then of course you have this button over here, so you want to press and hold it to enter the pairing mode. There seems to be no way to force or to forget all the devices that have been connected with the JBL Wind 3S, or at least I couldn't find any method that would be working. So in this case we can only force pairing method and pretty much let other devices connect to your speaker. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.